You name it, we have it. Only here at Thumbs Up.
Information and communication technology as it affects our lives, and solutions it offers as it simplifies.
I'm with your IT buddy, Engineer Anthony Baisa. His job is to open the gates of IT. Ang computer pala parang tao, no? Na binibigyan mo rin, nilalagyan mo rin ng accessories. Pero syempre, may purpose ang bawat isang accessory makikita mo. Tell us about the peripherals.
Sa peripherals natin sa isang computer, sabi nga natin last episode, paano mas magiging kapakipakinabang ang isang computer or ang isang laptop gamit ang mga accessories. Number one, pagdating sa peripherals, kailangan wag natin masyadong binubugbog kung nasa opisina lang tayo yung laptop natin.
Okay.
Ano bang ibig ko sabihin doon, Carl? So, syempre, kung most of your time nasa opisina ka nagtatrabaho, I suggest bumili tayo ng keyboard at mouse na external or yung USB keyboard and USB mouse. So, para mas matagal yung buhay ng keyboard natin.
Kasi mas madaling palitan yung peripheral na keyboard at saka mouse kesa yung nasa loob mismo ng laptop.
Actually, maliban sa mas madali, kapag nasira kasi yung built-in mouse and built-in keyboard ng isang laptop, para ka na ring bibili ng isang buong laptop pag pinaayos mo yung presyo.
At syempre, sabi mo may paalala ka sa amin last week na mag-store, mag-file, mag-backup.
Storage natin, we have 3 kinds of storage right now.
Okay.
Yung mga hard drives natin or yung mga big scale storage natin, up to 1 terabyte meron tayong available.
Wow.
And yung mga portable, maliliit lang natin yung mga flash drives.
Okay.
And of course, sa mga cameras natin, na pwede mo ring ilipat kaagad yung files from your camera papunta sa laptop mo mismo dahil may mga ports na yan for yung mga compact flash drive natin or yung mga portable device natin for storage.
Audio tayo.
At pagdating naman sa audio, syempre yan yung tenga. Kailangan clear yung audio natin, lalong-lalo na kapag nagpe-present tayo ng negosyo natin. So kung meron tayong business presentation at hindi ganun kalakasan ang built-in speaker ng laptop natin, meron tayong mga portable speakers na hindi mo na kailangan hanapan ng power supply para gumana. Kung gusto mong hindi ka makaka-istorbo sa iba at you want clear yung audio natin, ginagamitan nila ng mga headset.
Great.
So,
and tell us how to protect our computers.
We have 2 kinds of protection. Number 1, syempre yung functionality ng laptop natin. Habang matagal natin ginagamit yan, umiinit din yan.
Okay.
So, kailangan meron tayong mga cooling device na ginagamit dahil yung ibang laptop hindi ganun kagandahan yung ventilation. So, kapag ginamitan natin ng mga cooling device, mas lumalamig. Hindi siya kaagad nag-overheat or bumabagal. And on the other hand naman, kapag lalabas tayo ng bahay, syempre to protect our laptop at yung mga accessories na gagamitin natin sa laptop natin, kailangan meron tayong durable na laptop bag.
Yun, importante.
So, pwede nating ilagay kung ano man yung mga gadgets natin na kasama dun sa laptops natin, plus yung mga documents natin, nandun yun.
Naku, ang computer pala parang tao, kailangan din niya ng mga accessories para lalo siyang maging attractive and functional. Pag-usapan natin, meron bang mga warranties din itong mga accessories na to?
Of course, with our Philippine DTI law, kapag bumili ka ng isang gamit na brand new, dapat meron niyang 1-year warranty. Kaya magtaka na tayo mga kababayan, kapag binili nyo ay walang warranty, ibig sabihin hindi yan brand new. So sa bodega site, pag binili nyo yung isang gamit, automatic, meron tayong 1-year warranty.
Alright. Information and communication technology as it affects our lives.
And solutions it offers as it simplifies. Once again, this is Anthony Baisa, your IT buddy. See you next week.
Only here
at Thumbs Up.
So when it comes to my computers, cell phones, and cameras, I only purchase and have them serviced at the most professional, most affordable, and the most trustworthy site.
But most importantly, when it comes to business, I only go for the Philippines, the best IT provider franchise business today.
Our clients may have one-of-a-kind experience in purchasing their computers, cameras, cell phones, and consumer electronics by having quality products, lowest price, and a great customer service. Bodega Site franchising is unique because we don't have franchise fee, royalty fee, and guaranteed return on investment that makes a happy Bodega Site franchise.
Be part of it. Grab it. Be the first one in your area to have it. Call our franchise hotline today.